Okay, it's Thursday, May 15th, 2025, and the garden and the dirt is in. It's going to rain tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, so that's perfect timing. And I am a carnivore, so there's Din Din. Alrighty. It's about 6 o'clock. And I got a little bit of that dirt left over there, which I'm going to push down. And I'm probably going to get some more to kind of fill in those slopes. And I guess the next project's going to be the fire pit. And I got to put that stuff somewhere. The shed is packed. I need that garage. So hopefully that'll be coming. And let's see what we got in there. We got onions, we got broccoli, we got lettuce, tomatoes, green bell peppers, red bell peppers, hot peppers. I forgot the name of the other. It begins with a C. I don't know. Some strawberries and some cucumbers. So I did throw in some seeds that were expiring. I don't know how they're going to work. They were carrots and celery. So we'll see how it all turns out. Next year I'll be able to use the greenhouse. It just wasn't in the cards this year, and grow them, inside and then transplant them. These are all non-GMO, heirloom variety. And it's a beautiful day today. Really nice skies. None of those funky lines. And we're going to see if that mulberry tree survived. And hopefully it'll start blooming. I could see in the viewer that the sun's interfering. But I can tell you right now, last night at about 11:30, 12 o'clock, the bear came back. It wasn't the same one. This one was huge. 1.5 times the size of the one that I was able to get the video of. And Jake was barking too much, and he was on the deck. And he bent because I forgot to bring in the bird feeder. That was completely ripped off as the bird feeder was down there. So I bent it as best I could. And that's that. I got to put that target in the woods. I got some grass seed. And I'll show you the really cool thing. I don't know if you could see it. That gorilla trailer is hooked up to the mower, the ride mower. Oh, that's great. I unloaded a lot of stuff, put it in there, and was able to drive around. So really felt like Green Acres. That's what it's kind of like for me up here. So anyway, it's beautiful. Like I said, beautiful night. And no wind. So, sun setting in the west. And Jakey, of course, is near because of the food smell. Are you going to sit for the camera, Mr. Jake? Sit. You're such a good boy. Oh, I got my bath yesterday. Yes, you did. All right. Got a power wash. I got so many things to do, but I can bounce, as we all know. So I think the next project's going to be getting in that fire pit. As I mentioned, I got the fire permit. Oh, and there's a bird. That's what the bear was doing. He was trying. He couldn't fit between the chair and the rail. That's how big he was. But he was going for that one over there as well. So glad he didn't get that. And until next time.